In this video, I'm going to talk about solving equations with two variables. So now when you solve two equations, what does it mean? Let me put in a grid the x and y plot. If we graph the two equations, what we try to determine when we solve is where do the lines cross. So now I'm going to use the addition method. Let's slide these equations over a little bit. There we go. To solve these equations, I'm going to add the two x's, I'm going to add the two y's, I'm going to add the numbers as well. Let me add the addition sign, so x plus x is 2x, plus y plus negative y is 0, 12 plus 4 is 16 last time I checked. Let me get rid of that 0, we drop the 2x down, come on, there you go, and that equals 16. A little slow on the draw. There you go. We get rid of the 2, so we divide both sides by 2. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Those 2's cancel out. So now we drop the x down, so it's x equals 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Get rid of that other line. There you go. Now, x is equal to 8. We can take that and apply it to either the first equation, the blue equation, or the green equation. So I'm going to put it in the green equation, the second equation. So it becomes 8 minus y is equal to 4. I'm going to add plus y to both sides of the equation. So that y and that y cancel out. So now I have 8 is equal to 4 plus y. Now I want to isolate the y by itself, so I add a negative 4 to both sides of the equation. So it becomes 4 is equal to y, because that 4 and that negative 4 cancel out, so it becomes 4 is equal to y. There you go. So now we have x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. I'm just going to test to make sure I got the right answers. Now I'm going to put it into the first equation, so 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Very good. Now if I go back to the very first thing we talked about, what we find is that if we put 8 there and 4 there, y is equal to 4, x is equal to 8. We go over 8 and up 4, voila, that's where the two lines intersect. That's at point x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. Remember mybookssucks.com and to party more, study less.